Hi. Need homes for these little buggers? And for Mama back there? Hi. Finally, they are not afraid of me anymore. Hi. Hello. What are you doing? Basically all of them. I think I got 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, all 8 like me. Hi. 2, 4 black ones and 4 brown ones. Hi. We have fluffy ones and not fluffies. We got a little tiny. This don't runt. Very tiny. Hi. Like lettuce? Hi. Mama is still chicken, so we're going to have to kind of get her to like us a little more. Hi. Oops, sorry, baby.